Okay, I'm not really ready for this. Okay, so garten and banban 1 on my channel. I'm not really ready for this yet, but okay. So this is gonna be fun. Let's just play it. I'm not ready for this right now. For a parent looking for their missing child, times doesn't matter. Click the clock to advance time. Okay, click. Okay, so this is gonna be hard. I don't like this at all. This is gonna be scary, but I'm on mobile, so I'm at. Okay, so this is like a big place. Oh, keycard right here. It's not really anything special, just anything. Oh, okay, I found it. There we go. Oh, wait. Oh, so let's see the mascots. Okay. These guys are really creepy looking. I'm actually kind of scary. Okay, there we go. Oh, okay, I found the remote. Okay, hit the remote now. Oh, do I need some? Batman's gonna. Okay. Oh, Jimbo Josh, eat vegetables and fruits to become strong like me. Well, that's kind of creepy. I don't really care. Master Flynn, over here, having many arms allows me to hold a lot more. Okay then. Okay, so another battery. Let me use that as well. Okay, I get this. It's gonna be scary. Okay, let me just. Oh wait. Oh, that's the drum. Okay, that's the drum. Okay. Yeah, there we go. There. Press. Yay, we did it! Finally. Okay, next one. Come over here, drone. We're gonna have fun. Yeah, let's go. Got that open. No. That's bird. Oh, no. Oh, okay, she just went away. That's creepy. Babylina says, kindness is free, so spread it out everywhere. Captain Fiddle says, ooga booga, booga ooga. Okay. Other room. Okay, so the end is here. Banban says something over here. Banban says, Sharon's hearing, your pancreas is mine. Okay then, I am not gonna acknowledge that anymore. That's creepy and also kind of disturbing. Should I go out of here? Yeah. I just did that on purpose by accident. Oh no, this is gonna be bad. Oh, this is a thing. Okay. Oh wait, Opula's mission. Opula is Opula 6. Okay, this is kind of creepy. This thing, yeah. To collect 6 eggs. Okay. Click structure first. Let me see. Oh, there's an egg over there. Let me just get that. Click. Yay, we did it. Good job. Okay, card. That's probably for my drone again. Yep. Yep, I knew it. Come here, drone. I need you for 1 second. Let me just bring up friendly stickers. Okay. So this is gonna be hard. I don't really know. Click the egg. No. Nice. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say that, guys. Okay, drone, go. Oh, egg. Another egg. Click it. Click. There we go. Got it. Oh, another egg. Click. Okay, I think that's like 5 or 4. I'm not too sure. I haven't been counting yet. Okay, in this ship, there's another egg. Okay, let's see. Another egg goes over here. I see. It's 5 9 alive. Yep. Oh, do I need to feed this to the bird? Okay. Okay, this is creepy. Just imagine that she just like jumps out at me and then just scares me. That would be so bad. don't like this at all. Okay, this is gonna be fine. But I'm not really scared at it. Oh, if you might know that I'm actually gonna post this, like, oh wait, I don't know when I'm gonna post this. Maybe tomorrow or something. Maybe today, because I'm kind of working on 13 still. Okay, go John, do it. Yay, we did it. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fine. Okay. Door open. No? Okay. Did I do something? Oh, probably you didn't hit it right. Let me just... Bop. There we go. We just get the camera. We got a hammer. And we got a note. Distraction at 1. That's creepy. I don't really like that. I don't like that. Okay. Hammer. Hammer. Ta-da. We did it. Okay, this is gonna... why am I... what is up there? I don't know what's up there, anyways. I don't know why I'm looking up there. Okay. This is gonna be fun. Okay, keycard. There we go. We did it. Yay. I feel like something's up here right now. I'm not too sure. I'm gonna flip those footprints. There's something up there. Or something's up there. Whatever. It's the same thing. Let's just move on. Oh, Peel says, laughter is the best medicine to make sure to smile. Okay. That's kind of creepy. Well, not that kind of creepy. Okay. Got that. Okay. Oh, moving. Am I on a couch right now? And okay, then I'm on, like, I'm looking at the ground. It's not right there. I see that chair over there. It's just like moving with it. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be hard. I don't like this. I feel like this is gonna be a chase scene. Okay, let's just sit here. Another note. Yeah, I will never have the time to read that. That's gonna be a lot of reading. Okay, what's my color? Yeah, what's this? Boop, 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 boop. Okay, so this is gonna be long, man. Okay, that's the one that's done. I got this one. There we go. Pila. There we go. Captain Fiddles. Stinger Flynn. I think this is the last one, to be honest. Okay, we got... oh, that's all done. Yay, we did it. Oh, keycard. Yay, we did it. Okay. What's that? Oh no, she's awake. We woke her from her slumber. Okay, that's... I don't like this at all. Oh my gosh, she's looking at me right now. She looks like she wants to kill me right now. Plus, this is like a chase scene. No, this is gonna be a chase scene. Come on, hit the button. Hit the button. Oh, okay, she's so close. She's so close right now. Oh, run! Run! Oh, come on. Oh, hit the button. Hit the button. Hit the button. No. Okay. Oh. Okay, she's gone. Finally. I did not like that at all. That actually kind of scared me. Not gonna lie, but... okay, this is gonna be fun. Go. Into the door. Here we go. Okay, so we got another one. Okay, that's done. Another button. Another button. Another button. Let me guess. We're gonna see another characters. More like Banban or Bambolina. Or Jumbo Josh. Okay, that's really done. Okay, okay. Another key card. I'm okay. I was just coughing, guys. Okay. Okay, here he comes. I think it's coming right now. I just want to check over here first. No, I'll just check. Okay. Banban's thing is perfect, I guess. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's a elevator. What kind of elevator is this? Not what I was expecting, but okay. Key card. Okay, let's go. This is gonna be fun, guys. Man, I am not ready for this, but this is the ending. We finished up Hilo. Everything's normal. Just gonna sit back and relax. Wait, whoa, what was that? What? Whoa, what's going on? What's going on? Wait, I don't see anything. What's going on? Whoa. What is, whoa! Hello there. What are you, oh my gosh. Stop! Nope. Okay. So that was Jumbo Josh. And he came out of nowhere. And jump scared me. I am not happy about that. Well, I guess this is going to be the end of Garten and Banban 1. I have Garten and Banban 2, and we'll play that when it comes out. Actually, when I stop recording. Bye, guys.